Hello, thanks for dropping in. So, I need to switch hands here. I need to turn this on. But when I turn this drive on, if you look at the bottom, you'll see this big sort of off-white thing. And that is what chatters. And everything spins and everything is fine. But that piece, that big thing, and I guess it definitely has to do with moving the head back and forth. It's part of the stepper motor, I imagine. Anyway, on the other side, on drive 0, it doesn't do that. And I intend to find out why. Perhaps not exactly at this moment, but perhaps. I guess the only way to see in there is I have to remove the little circuit board and somehow figure out how to do what it is that I'm going to do without hurting anything and letting you have a look inside. Anyway, stay tuned.